The ULTA Back to School Glow Session Sampler Kit is available now for $30. It does have a $237 value with 13 products to help boost your confidence this back to school season. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Get ready to tackle the school year with confidence with our back to school skincare kit. The comprehensive set includes everything you need to keep your skin fresh, clear, and glowing amidst busy schedules and academic demands. Your kit will include Beauty Counter All Bright C Serum, 0.34 ounces. Beauty Stat Cosmetics Universal C Skin Refiner Vitamin C Brightening Serum, 0.17 ounce. Clinique Acne Clinical Clearing Gel, 0.1 ounce. Dermalogical Awaken Peptide Depuffing Eye Gel, 0.2 ounce. Drunk Elephant B Hydra, 0.16 ounce. First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser, 1 ounce. Kapari Beauty Marine Clean Purifying Gel Cleanser, 1 ounce. Origins Clear Improvement Mask, 0.5 ounce. Peace Out Skincare Acne Dots, 10 count. Paragon MD Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Serum Concentrate, 0.25 ounce. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Rich Barrier Moisturizer Deluxe Sample, 0.25 ounce. Proactive Clean Azelaic Pore Perfector, 1 ounce. Sunday Riley UFO Ultra Clarifying Acne Treatment Face Oil, 0.17 ounce, as well as a cosmetic bag. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.